It is 1997. Jake is a 16-year-old exchange student from America. For 1 week, he will stay with a family he has never met. How long will it take to get there?
About 20 minutes, I think.
And how much will it cost?
Do not worry about it. My mom already took care of it.
I had no idea it would look like this.
You really did not look anything up before the flight?
I honestly have no idea. How far is your house from here?
It is just around the corner. We're almost there.
This neighborhood is really different from what I imagined. Yumi's mom had been waiting all afternoon. The moment she saw Jake, she smiled like she had known him for years. It is really nice to meet you. Should I take my shoes off?
Yes, everyone does that here.
Got it. Good to know. Some places feel familiar the moment you walk in. This was one of them. Something smells amazing. What is she whipping up?
Whipping up? What does that mean?
It means cooking. What is she cooking in there?
I honestly have no idea. She always has something going.
Excuse me, what is that pile of blankets in the corner?
That is where you sleep.
So you just put it on the floor at night and fold it back up in the morning?
Yes. Every single day.
That is actually kind of genius. Yumi's mom had been cooking since the afternoon, and now the table told the whole story. Did she make all of this just for tonight?
Yes, this is just a normal dinner. How many dishes do you see right now?
I stopped counting at 8.
Stopped counting? What do you mean?
It means there are too many to count. I gave up trying. I really could not eat another bite.
You might as well just eat it.
Outside, the neighborhood slowly went to sleep. Almost. Okay, this is actually not bad. I think I can get used to this. For the first time in 2 days, Jake was finally asleep. What on earth was that sound? I had no idea what was going on.
That is just someone selling tofu. Go back to sleep.
That is so random. Who sells things at this hour?
What does random mean?
It means something completely unexpected, something that just comes out of nowhere. Jake had been awake since 4 in the morning. The house was quiet, but the kitchen was not. Yumi's mom had been up since 5. She always was. He had no idea what she was making, but it smelled like the best thing he had ever smelled. Oh, good morning. I did not know anyone was up.
Good morning. Did you sleep all right?
Not really, but it's okay.
You are up early.
I could not sleep. Someone was selling tofu at 4 in the morning.
You'll get used to it.
I'm not sure I will. This looks amazing. You did not have to do all of this.
You need a good breakfast. Eat as much as you want. Jake, I need you to pick up some tofu and green onions from the market.
Of course. How far is the market from here?
It's just down the road. You can't miss it.
I got this. I'll be back soon. Jake had 10 minutes, a note, and a plan. Okay, this is not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Excuse me, Do you carry tofu?
Of course. Right over here.
I'll take one of these, please.
Good choice. Anything else?
How much do I owe you?
500 won.
Excuse me, do you know where I can find green onions?
Green onions? Go straight and turn left at the corner.
Got it. Thank you so much. I took a wrong turn somewhere and now I'm completely lost. Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you. I think I'm lost.
Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for green onions, and I have no idea how to get back.
Follow me. I will take you there.
The tofu was in his bag, but the green onions were nowhere to be found.
Why did I think this was a good idea? Jake, I have been looking everywhere for you. What happened?
I had absolutely no idea where I was, and somehow I ended up here.
That is just the tofu man.
I know, that sound is stuck in my head.
Stuck in your head? What does that mean?
It means I cannot stop hearing it, even when it's not there.